Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to add a like button to your WordPress blog. In this guide, we will walk through each stage of the process so you can enhance your blog's interactivity quickly and efficiently. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, you will see several navigation options at the top of the screen. Locate the login option near the top right corner and click on it. This action takes you to the login interface where you will have the opportunity to sign in securely and access your dashboard. After clicking the login option, you will be presented with several choices for authentication. In this tutorial, you should select the option that reads Continue with Google. When you choose this option, a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Simply pick the account you wish to use for logging into WordPress. This streamlined authentication process not only saves time, but also leverages the security of your Google credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Tools section of your WordPress dashboard. Moving from your login screen to the Tools area is straightforward. Look for the label that indicates Tools and click on it. This section is essential for accessing additional features and modules that are provided as part of your WordPress setup. Within the Tools section, locate the option for sharing buttons. This feature is designed to help you make your blog posts more engaging by allowing readers to interact with your content through simple, clickable buttons. When you click on sharing buttons, you will be presented with various settings related to social sharing and interactivity. As you scroll through the settings, look for the specific control that allows you to display a like button on your blog posts. When you find the option labeled Show Like Button, ensure you click on it to activate this feature. Activating the like button will make it appear alongside your content, providing your readers with a friendly way to register their approval about the post. This addition not only makes your website more dynamic, it also increases the chance for enhanced user engagement by encouraging feedback through clicks. After you have selected the Show Like Button option, it is important to save your changes. Look around for the Save Changes button, which will be clearly marked in the Sharing Button settings section. Click on Save Changes to apply the new setting to your WordPress blog. Saving these changes commits your configuration so that your blog now displays a like button for visitors to use. This concise process from logging into configuring the sharing buttons and saving your change should take you about 5 minutes or so, making it a quick enhancement for your website. By following these instructions carefully, you ensure that your blog is not only visually appealing, but also functionally improved with an interactive like button feature that can encourage reader participation. Enjoy the benefits of a more interactive blog, and thank you for following along with this straightforward tutorial.